Dude, what happened up there? You never miss a cue.
Hey, Tails. Huh? What? Oh, yeah. I was gonna say hi, but then, see you later.
Oh, I see what's going on here.
Tails has been hypnotized by man-eating tomato people?
Yeah, that. Or our pal Tails has a crush on that girl.
What? Who, Zoe? No, Styx was right. Definitely the tomato thing.
Oh my gosh, Tails is in love. That is so adorable. You are so adorable.
I am not adorable. I'm serious and formidable.
Aww.
I just don't know how to talk to her is all.
Oh, hi, Tails. Didn't see you.
Yeah, I'm all like, whatever. I don't care. I'm busy anyway. Catch you on the flip-flop.
Okay.
Hey, Zoe. I was just at the gym, throwing some weights. This table's got some excellent craftsmanship. What's that, birch? Cedar?
I think it's particle board.
Oh, yeah. I had a particle board tree once, chopped it down, built me a cabin out of it.
One mistake. Extra rare.
The redder, the better.
And your meh meal toy.
Oh, a Hello Doggy pencil to go with my notebook. I think I left my bandsaw running. Zoe, come forth from your chamber window.
Hello?
How now, brown cow? Your voice is like a songbird singing songs, and you smell.
What?
Like a flower of some kind. Not a stinkweed, something better.
I know you have my package in your wagon. Just give it to me.
Once it's in the wagon, I have to deliver it to your residence.
Yo, for the love of... Not this train wreck again.
Looking into your eyes is like looking into a pair of eyes. Nice ones, even. Caw-caw! Caw-caw! Caw-caw!
Tails, are you feeling okay?
What? I'm great. Check out my majestic plumage.
Achoo! Well, as long as you're all right.
I can't watch this anymore. You got no game, kid. Let me help you.
But you're our sworn enemy.
Nonetheless, in situations this dire, the bro code trumps the enemy thing. Take my advice. You'll never land a girl by acting like someone else. Just be confident in your own pelt. And for Pete's sake, ditch the feathers.
How do I know I can trust you?
Believe me or don't, it's no hair off my mustache. You're the one doing the funky chicken in the middle of town square.
Your package.
Finally! My new background music generator. This will really make my attacks more exciting. Sweet! Listen to those drums!
Amy, you and Knuckles head.
No need, Sonic. I got this. Help! Help! Hang on, Zoe!
I taught him everything he knows.
Well, that wasn't as exciting as I'd hoped.
Tails, you are amazing!
Whoa! Look who got the girl by being himself. I didn't see that coming.
Do you mind?
You're welcome. I'm glad I sprang for the Heart Iris upgrade.